whether, you guys can kind of read it too. It says determine whether the graph of each equation is symmetric about the x-axis, the y-axis, and the origin. So you can see, this is nice having this thing. Is this parabola symmetric about the origin, do you think? No, so it looks different, like, it's symmetric about the y-axis, because if I folded it across, but not the x-axis. So I guess for 6 you would just say A, y-axis only, or just y-axis, because I have to say x-axis, y-axis, and origin. The only thing that A is the y-axis. What's B? Is B? I think it is all of them. Because if I folded it along the x-axis, the sides would coincide, and if I folded it on the y-axis, and also if I do the origin. So I'm going to say y-axis, x-axis, origin. Yeah. Ching. That was number 31. The next problem we're going to do, I'll do 2 on this video. Number 16, right? Okay, now we're going to, I'll do it in black, so it looks different. There's number 16. Number 16 has some pictures of some graphs, so it's a good thing we got this document camera. Do autofocus so you can see it. I don't know if you can see the graph or not. Try to autofocus it. Anyway, it says, determine if each graph, you guys can look in your book if you can't read the graphs up here. It says, determine if each graph represents the graph of a function. If so, determine whether the graph is a one-to-one function. So you might, do you guys all know the vertical line test? So that's for whether it's a function or not. So this one actually passes because the top dot is filled in, but the bottom dot is not. So that passes. Now, the one-to-one test is actually a horizontal line test. So it does not pass the horizontal line test, because I would hit it in all these different places. So for A, we're going to say function not one-to-one, or something like that. And then letter B, yeah, or you could say yes, no, I guess. Yeah, and then letter B, is it a function? Yes. Is it one-to-one? That one's kind of hard. Yeah, well, yeah, actually it's not that hard. Yeah, you could just, I can draw a horizontal line right there and hit it right there and right there. Okay, so that is not. So I'm going to say function not one-to-one. And then letter C, and you can't even read what I'm writing, can you? There, now you can see it. And then letter C, is it a function? No, I'll just say not a function. That's supposed to say function right away. And then letter D, is that one a function?
So if it's not a function, don't you just test this one-to-one?
Why, have you been wasting a lot of time? Because how can it be a one-to-one function if it's not a function? Okay, so I think letter D looks like a function, because when I do my vertical line test on it, it seems like it's going to work. And I think it's actually one-to-one, even though it looks like it has an asymptote right here. Remember that if that is an asymptote, it keeps slouching, yeah, it keeps getting closer and closer to the x-axis, so it's not actually going horizontal. So this is a, I would say 1-to-1 function. And that's answering both questions. Okay, that was number 16. I think I'll make a new video for the next one.